Alright guys, time to be a data prep hero. Alright, it's not that hard. What I want to do is I want to replace Y14Q02 into quarter 02 year 2014. Now, of course, I don't want to do that only for this year and this quarter. I want to do this consistently for every value. So I need to find a transformation language that's going to turn the top here into the bottom. Okay, this is what I have, but what I really have is I have Y and a token and Q and a token. Now, what I can do is I can use parentheses to capture the tokens that I want. Again, I want to do this consistently, so not just with those numbers. I want to do to capture the 2 digits of the year and the 2 digits of the quarter. Now my next problem is what's the syntax to say 2 digits? Well, you have to say it differently. You have to say digit 2 times. And the syntax for digit is \D. The syntax for 2 times is 2 in curly brackets. The syntax is a little weird, but once you know how to do it, it's not that complex. Okay, so let's replace 2 digits by the syntax. There you go. This is a perfectly valid regular expression that's going to capture the 2 digits of the year and the 2 digits of the quarter. It's also going to number them. So the first one is going to be called number $1, and the second is going to be called $2. So now let's do the replacement. I'm going to take $1 and put it at the end of the year, and I'm going to take $2 and put it at the end of my quarter. Okay, now let's do it in the recipe. So start by taking this client's dataset, which you should have in your data inventory because it's there out of the box. So take that. There's a column here called campaign ID, and this is the one that has the pattern that I showed earlier. So first thing we're going to do is we are going to split it into 3 parts, and the separator here is underscore. Okay, so now we have our pattern, the one that we're looking for. So the next step is to use the language that we learned earlier. So I'm going to use the replace function, and I am going to change through this widget here the operator from equals to regex. Now I can use my regex syntax, Y, capture the token, digit 2 times, Q, capture the next token, digit 2 times. And the replacement is going to be quarter $2 of year $20.1. I'm going to make this column a little bigger here, and let's see what happens. Ooh, magic. So this is how you can format a column very easily with regular expressions. Feel free to use cheat sheet online. They're easy to find, and you'll see that regular expressions are not that hard after all. Thanks for watching.